Search intensifies for missing taxi driver. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have launched a search for a 58-year-old taxi operator who has been missing since Thursday, February the 13th. The man has been identified as Milton Edwards of Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine. He's of dark complexion, medium built, and about 182 centimeters. Reports from the Waterford police are that at around 9 a.m., Edwards was last seen at home wearing a blue t-shirt and blue jeans pants. All efforts to contact him since then have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Milton Edwards is being asked to contact the Waterford police at 876-988-1763, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.